Do you want to know how you can log into your Turing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Turing.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Turing AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Turing AI. Now, you can write down your email address or username in this box over here and then write down the password in the next box. After you write down your username and password, make sure they are correct and then you can click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Turing.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon over here. And if you have in case forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you to recover your account or to reset your password. And if you want to continue with SSO, go ahead and click on this link, write down your company domain, click continue, write down your password of your company and then click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Turing account using your SSO tool. I hope this video about how you can log into your Turing AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.